Copy.
This is Jurassic World.
Hello everyone, I'm Allison, Jurassic World's lead ranger, and I am privileged of overseeing all of our park's dinosaurs. From babies to fully grown dinosaurs, I know them all. And it's my pleasure to be in charge of your VIP tour of the island today. Not only will you get to see some of our most impressive dinosaurs in the land of giants, but as our VIP guests, you've been given exclusive access to go off the beaten path and behind the scenes, visiting parts of the park not open to the general public for this incredible species. It's going to be an exciting day, one I'm sure you'll never forget. Welcome to Jurassic World.
Alright everybody, welcome to Jurassic World.
Not too rough on the seas, I hope. Trust me, have a pleasant voyage. Well, Captain Braithwaite, what can I say? Well, here we are, everyone. Giants.
She's very food motivated. She's feeling very sleepy at the moment. She has just woken up from a nap. That's what she does though. She eats, she sleeps, and then she meets people. That's her daily routine. Yeah, and she's gonna be able to stand on both of them, just like us. And these aren't gonna grow longer than that, so she's gonna look very funny. Then she's gonna be 1.5 meters tall, which is basically...
You're behind the black line for you guys. Please don't try to touch them. We don't want to touch them because you know what they eat? What do carnivores eat? Pigs. Yes, they love small mammals. And what are you guys? Small mammals that you are meat, I'm afraid. Sorry guys. That might have been a revelation, but you guys are meat. guys for me? It's okay to be a little bit nervous. Just have a little step back if you are. But they are safe in their cages and in their muzzles. That's for our safety and your safety. That means speed, and so they're very, very speedy. Do you know how far? A little snack. I just had a little snack. Make sure she's well rested, well rested.
Amazing stuff. Joe, my friend, are we ready to rock and roll? That's a very confident head nod. Lovely. Green side, my side. Let's go. Over to you, Joe.
Here, our scientists, rangers, and handlers work with velociraptors, gaining an insight into how they think, move, and hunt. Let's learn more about these amazing creatures. Velociraptors, or raptors as they are more commonly known, are part of the Dromaeosauridae family, who first appeared in the Jurassic period and for more than 100 million years lived on Earth. Today, you will get a rare behind-the-scenes encounter with one of Jurassic World's most incredible raptors, Blue. A word of warning. Although you're safe behind the enclosure, please keep your distance. Despite all of our work here, raptors remain carnivorous with killer instincts. And now, I'd like for you to meet Blue. Here, Blue. Come. Blue. Keep your eyes here. On me. Steady, Blue. Steady. All right, Blue. We're moving to your right. My left. Very good. And now, let's move to your left. My right. Good, Blue. Good. Shall we do this again, Blue? Easy. Blue, stand down, stay right there. Good, good. Eyes on me. Blue, Blue, here, watch it. Good, good. And we're moving. Blue, this is for you. Good. Eyes up. Now go.
Bumpy. Now, does anyone know what species our baby Bumpy here is, though? Let's say first. Go for it. It is an ankylosaurus, thanks so much. Yes, so she is our baby Bumpy, our baby ankylosaurus.
Alright guys, so you're about to see a very, very special show, okay? Hope you enjoy Bumpy. Now things get a bit scary again. So I need all your bravest behaviour. Oh my goodness, one of our dinosaurs are escaped. Hello! Blue, you look different. What's going on here? Hi. Alright guys, coming in. Lovely. Alright then, so if you want to turn your attention up to the balcony, we have Charles, our meat feeder for this particular dinosaur. Give him a wave, say hi Charles! Hi Charles! Hey guys! Yeah, he's on loan from America. Yeah, we have an exchange program there in Florida. Coming in guys, lovely. Alright then. So I'm going to let this very dangerous dinosaur out of her cage, okay? Don't worry, it's going to be absolutely fine. We're in super capable hands. We have reinforced steel and us. which doesn't sound great on balance. Anyway, guys, this is the Indominus Rex, one of our larger carnivores, and yes, it's feeding time, okay, so this girl will be very hungry, so she might be a bit aggressive with her meal, so please can I ask that there's no flash photography, no sudden movements, and no loud noises, okay? Please remain calm, stay focused, no loud noises, no sudden movements. Here she comes.
Anyone over here? Do you want to go on this one? But you go first, and then you can go there. There you go. Details and goes for take a little photo, then if you won't be so... If you... Flight to be like, take one step back, one step is a little bit of a precaution. Hello folks, coming in. And make sure that you wangle your way in through some space. Lovely jubbly, that is everyone. So as I said,